Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add cover image in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. Now we need just to open our app and start a new project. I'm just going to click on this plus sign, and from here you will be needing just to create a project and start editing on it. I'm just going to choose these two media, and from here we have this on the project timeline or on the projects panel. Now we will be needing to add all the actions that you would like on your video. Either you can add overlay, sound effects, you can also start adjusting the color of your videos, speeding them up, choosing the volume, or whatever. At the end, you will be needing to export your video. By clicking on export, you will be able to process your editing on Instagram edits, and then you will be able to start sharing on Facebook or sharing on Instagram. In my case, I'm just going to share on Instagram, and then it will take us to the processing panel. And from here, you will be able to start uh, choosing the cover. By clicking on edit cover, you will be able to choose the cover for your video. So it will take us to Instagram, and basically it really depends on the length of your video. So let's just do it again. And there has been some problems. And here we click on edit cover, and from here you can either add from camera roll or you can uh, choose any parts or any frame of the video, and from here you can click on done and it will be the cover for your video. And by that you have successfully choose the cover of your video. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.